Alright, this tutorial will guide you through on how to remove the Runescape Jagex launcher completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you want to type in Runescape download on your search engine or browser device, click download Runescape. And if, well, you're trying to remove Runescape, we'll just click download for Windows, so that when you click the launcher or the installer, this is how you can actually remove it completely for free. Now, since you already have it installed, we already have it on our device, you can repair, or you can even remove as the second option, where it says select this option to remove the Jagex launcher from your computer. So you do that and you can click next. Another option is to type in the control panel on your device or for Windows. And if you want to remove or uninstall the Runescape Jagex launcher, you can basically go so by going under keyboard and above sound to programs and features. Now if you go to the top right hand screen, you can just basically type in here Runescape, and if that doesn't show up or pop up, type in Jagex. And as you can see, we have the Jagex launcher right here, and if you were to right click, you can uninstall completely for free.